By the end of this video, you'll be skating backwards like a pro.
Our first exercise for skating backwards are back wiggles. Our feet are going to be parallel, hip width apart. We are going to shake our hips side to side and our arms are moving against the hips. Keep a nice knee bend, moving your body where you would like it to travel. Try to avoid crunching forwards. Think about squeezing your abs or my giggle muscles that I tell the kiddos. Also, be sure to keep your arms just slightly below the shoulders, not too high and not too low. We also never want to look down, and remember to stay off those toe picks. Next, let's progress to backwards marching. Our arms are nice and relaxed, slightly in front of us, feet below the hips, below the shoulders. Just pick up your feet ever so slightly, just a couple inches, an inch backwards. Common mistake is not moving your feet at all.
Moving on, we have back swizzles. Start with your feet in an upside down V. Bend both knees and press on your inside edge, leaning your skate slightly inwards to initiate the backwards glide movement. Straighten the knee as your heels meet.
Now let's try some backward stroking. We are going to balance our weight in the middle of our blades, shifting the weight over the skating leg, bend and push off with an inside edge while making a C shape. Then extend the free leg and point your toe forwards. We are going to be alternating legs and be sure we are always using our edges.